Imagine this, a quiet Saturday morning, December 6th, 2025. The world outside is calm, and the only sound is the gentle hum of your home waking up. You stretch, feeling the warmth of sunlight on your face, and take a deep breath, ready to start the day. Sunlight spills across your floor as you sip coffee, scrolling through last summer's photos. Each image brings a smile, a memory, a story you almost forgot. Your phone feels like a window into your past, connecting you to moments both big and small. But where do all these memories actually live? Not inside your phone. There are thousands. It's almost magical how every photo, every video, is always at your fingertips no matter where you are. We tap, swipe, and click. But behind the scenes, a vast system works tirelessly for us. Invisible, yet essential, it keeps our digital lives running smoothly, storing and delivering our memories in an instant. This is the cloud, an invisible force woven into our daily lives. It's the silent partner that makes sure everything is safe, accessible, and always there when we need it. The name sounds dreamy, but it's fitting. The cloud is everywhere and nowhere. A shared digital space that connects us all, no matter where we are in the world. It quietly holds our memories, music, and messages, always ready for us. It's like a digital attic, storing the things we cherish, so we can revisit them whenever we wish. Let's take a journey into this digital sky and see how the cloud has reshaped our world. Let's begin and discover the magic behind the gentle hum of a digital morning. What is the cloud, really? Think of it as a magical public library that exists everywhere. It holds your photos, music, movies, and work tools, organized and accessible anytime. Like a library, you don't own every book, you borrow what you need when you need it. The cloud works the same way. Your data lives on powerful servers in data centers worldwide. Your device is just a library card, giving you access to everything. This shift from local storage to shared access makes our digital lives seamless. You can start a movie on your TV, finish it on your tablet. The cloud streams it all. The core idea, access over ownership. You use the cloud every day, often without realizing it. Your email, stored in the cloud, accessible from any device, anywhere. Movie night, Netflix streams from the cloud. No need to store thousands of movies at home. Collaboration. Google Docs lets you and others edit the same file in real time. The document lives in the cloud, not on your computer. The cloud connects and powers these moments, making them effortless. It's the invisible thread in our digital routines. Our devices are just windows. The cloud is the library behind the glass. This has transformed how we work, play, and connect. Let's peek behind the curtain and discover the hidden world that makes the cloud possible. Every time you send a message, stream a video, or save a file, you're tapping into a vast, invisible network working tirelessly behind the scenes. The stars of this world are servers, powerful computers running non-stop, serving up data and apps to millions of people at once, all over the globe. These servers live in massive, secure data centers, cooled and powered around the clock. Security is tight, with layers of protection to keep your data safe and operations running smoothly. Virtualization is the magic trick here. It lets one physical server act like many, multiplying its power and making the cloud efficient, flexible, and able to scale up or down as needed. This means resources are shared intelligently, so nothing goes to waste. The cloud adapts to demand, balancing workloads and keeping everything running smoothly. The network, fiber optic cables spanning continents and oceans, connects these data centers to you, carrying information at the speed of light. Save a photo? It travels through this network, zipping across cities and countries until it finds a home in a data center. Stream a song? The data comes back to your device in seconds so you can listen instantly wherever you are. The cloud's machinery is complex, but its purpose is simple: to deliver what you need, when you need it, seamlessly and reliably. It's the digital highway system powering our connected world, making modern life possible every single day. Why does the cloud matter? It's a great equalizer, making powerful technology accessible to all. No matter where you are in the world, the cloud puts the same tools in your hands as the biggest companies and brightest minds. In the past, launching an app or business meant buying expensive servers, setting up complex infrastructure, and hoping it would scale. Now, anyone can rent world-class computing power in minutes, paying only for what they use. This shift has unleashed a wave of innovation. Startups and creators can reach millions, competing with giants on a level playing field, and bringing new ideas to life faster than ever before. The cloud fuels creativity and progress in medicine, entertainment, education, and so much more. It's the silent force behind breakthroughs and everyday conveniences alike. It's why your Maps app updates in real time, why you can control smart devices from anywhere, and how you can access your favorite content on demand. The cloud is the invisible backbone connecting our digital lives, making them seamless, efficient, and always within reach, whether you're working, learning, or just staying in touch. It's a space built for human connection, collaboration, and creativity, allowing us to share moments and ideas across any distance. Next time you save a file or stream a song, remember the invisible network making it possible, working quietly, in the background, connecting you to the world. The cloud's possibilities are as infinite as the sky itself, limited only by our imagination and curiosity.